Okay, I wrote about my adventures with both peer grade and then with EduFlow. I think this one may be the winner of the three, but I need a little more time to play before I make that decision completely. Still, I want to show you that this is also an app that allows students to peer edit, peer evaluate, self check. But what's really cool about this is that I was able to upload a resume worksheet and then I can click on parts of it. Let me scroll down a little bit and say, I can like add right here and I can choose to, okay, give me just a short answer of this section right here. And it'll allow me to put something in right there. Sorry. And so I can say, okay, who are your references? Or I can say, did you tell this person you were going to use them as a reference? So I can put in, sorry, I can put in questions and have the students answer them. I could make a correct answer. I could do a multiple choice. And so you can add in so much cool stuff in here. And so you can see like on these initial pages, this is for the peer evaluation part and having somebody else upload their resume and say, did your peer use appropriate personal information? And then I can ask the question, how relevant? How is your experience relevant to the job? And explain. So basically you can do a lot with this. It even has a feature where you can like magnify it so you can click it and it'll open up the whole thing in a larger one. But just super cool. I think this one really has features that the others don't seem to have. So as far as, I look at a lot of things with writing and peer revisions and whatnot, and I think this one could be the winner, but we shall see. Thank you.